Welcome to our channel. Today, we continue our journey through Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. If you missed the previous video on chapters 23 and 24, be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive back into 19th century England and high society. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. In chapter 25, Elizabeth receives news that Lydia, the youngest Bennet sister, has run off with Mr. Wickham. The information is a shock to Elizabeth and her family, as Lydia's impulsive behavior has jeopardized hers and her entire family's reputation. Throughout, Elizabeth reflects on Lydia's actions' consequences and their impact on her family. In addition, the news of Lydia's elopement highlights the societal pressures surrounding marriage and the importance of maintaining one's reputation. Additionally, the chapter further develops Elizabeth's character as she grapples with the consequences of her family's actions and their impact on her prospects for marriage. Here it also underscores the contrast between Elizabeth's independent spirit and her younger sister's impulsive behavior. The chapter ends with Elizabeth and her father discussing the implications of Lydia's elopement, and it sets the stage for the events that will occur in the following chapters as they work to resolve the situation. In chapter 26, Mr. Bennet sets out on a journey to resolve the situation caused by Lydia's elopement with Mr. Wickham. Again, the chapter highlights Mr. Bennet's character as he leaves his wife and daughters behind to handle the matter. Here Mr. Bennet is depicted as a thoughtful and pragmatic individual determined to resolve the situation and protect his family's reputation. He travels to London, where he can locate Lydia and Mr. Wickham and negotiate a resolution to the problem. It further develops Mr. Bennet's character as he takes a proactive approach to resolving the situation and protecting his family. Thank you for joining us for this summary of Pride and Prejudice, chapters 25 and 26. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this beloved classic. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you need a copy of the book, check the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy all over again. See you in our next video.